How to be a product designer and turn this product into advert videos, which means you can actually generate products like this and turn them into advert videos like this. Mind you, look at those videos. The images, the product, they are my product. You can see the Woko skin, which means you can actually brand for yourself or for any client or any company, right? A brand can actually contact you now and they tell you they want you to design their product for them. You go to this AI, you ask them how they want their product bottle to look like and all that. You design it for them. You even create an advert video for them with AI. And this brand can actually send you their product picture, and you use this product picture to actually generate the same product picture for them with an AI advertiser, like an AI model. Hi, my name is Okobuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize the social media platform, how to edit videos, and how to work with AI tools. Today, I'll be teaching you to work with this very sweet AI tool that's going to help you be a product designer and again, help people to create advert videos for their products. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share.
So first thing first, you open your chat GPT. Yes, our lover. So when you open chat GPT, what you need to do is here you type in, give me prompt of creative skin with the name of brand, Woko. Let me put it in capital letters. Woko skin. Okay, so let's say give me prompts. Let's use S with. Okay, all right, like that. And give me prompt of skincare product of different models. Okay, now I'll click here and see what ChatGPT gives us. Let's wait. Let's have it. I'm kidding. Okay, let's wait for it to load. I like to play too much. Let's wait and see what ChatGPT is gonna give us. And so this is gonna be like Woko skin, blah 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 blah. Okay, yeah, ChatGPT has given us a vitamin C. Okay, now let's go to branding. Let's go to the branding. I don't know, but let me take the vitamin C first. Okay, I'll copy this. You copy, and let's go to our Leonardo AI app, our favorite Leonardo AI app. You click. Please, let me go it for the newcomers. You come on this app. This is how it looks like, right? This is how it looks like. Name of the app is Leonardo AI. Let me show you how the app looks like. This is how the app looks like. Okay, the app is like this app. That's how it looks like. Okay, yes, the name is Leonardo AI. The name Leonardo AI. Now you come here. I'll put up the name in the box, in the description, like up in the box or in the description box. Now when you come here, you register on it. It's like registering on TikTok or any other app. It's very easy to register. You click here where they say type your prompt, and then you paste that prompt that we copied from ChatGPT. You know it, right? Yes, you got it. Now you click here on generate, and this app is free. Yes, it is free. You click on generate. Let's see what it gives us. If it's not giving well, we'll change the prompt and touch some certain things inside the prompt because it's AI and we need to constantly touch things. Boza. Can you see that? Just imagine that you're designing this for somebody's skincare, Woko skin glow boost. Are you playing? Like, are you playing or you're not playing? There you go, right? Okay. You click on top of this. You click on it. You click on this save button up here. It tells you to save to your phone. You save to your image, okay? Then you go back. You X this. You go and copy another prompt because why not? We are then I'll show you how to get these skincare products with models. Okay, how you can get skincare product with models. Okay, now there you go. Okay, Okay, let's have it. Let's see what's gonna give. Like, I'm so excited. After this, I'll show you guys how to get the skincare product with models. Man, this is so sleek. Jeez, this is so sleek. Like, oh lulu. Let me save this. Ah man. Okay, let's go get a prompt that involves a model. Okay, make this prompt with models holding the product. Okay, so I'll click and let's see what they give us. Okay, so yeah, an African model with radial hair. I like it. Like, why did ChatGPT just decide to use African model now? ChatGPT, baby girl, ChatGPT is so sweet. Let me copy this one now. Let's have it. Come on, copy now. No, they play. We are not here to play. Okay, I copy this one. Okay, why is my app glitching though? Come on. Okay, copy. Yep. Go back to the Leonardo app. Click, go back. Click, remove that one. Paste this one. And do. Let's click on generate. Oh, I'm so excited. Who is excited with me? I am super excited. And I can actually, later you can now make this product to be, when you see like this image may be explicit, tap to view, don't worry, just click on it and it opens. Whoa. Oh, mean. See, I've told you guys that I'm the boss when it comes to AI. Don't play with me. Don't play. You see that? You see that? Let's take another one. Then let me show you how you can now go generate these to videos, to your own advert videos, right? Because who wants to be doing adverts without doing videos? You understand? Yes, you do understand. Let's do the second one and go. So Leonardo gives you a number of coins per day you can use. So I have been generating since today, and I think I'm running out of my coins, but we have lots of different apps where you can actually generate these pictures. Oh baby. Ooh la la. Okay, I'll click here and save this image. Save this image. Now when you save this image, what you need to do is, you already have the prompt, right? Just take it to Julio AI. Like, you all know Julio AI. You all know Julio AI, because why will you not know Julio AI? Like, it's actually the freest app on earth these days for video generation. So now I'll take you to how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. Julio AI, you can see 100 coins. You have 100 coins every day. The only problem is the app is very slow, but you have 100 coins every day. Now you come here, you see, you register on the app. If you're new, you register on the app, okay? Yes, you register on the app. When you're done registration on the app, you click on this plus button right here. When you click on the plus button, you click on image. Then you bring in your image. Like, you bring in image from your, not image history, but take image from your phone. Now the image you created, that's it. When you bring in the image, you click here and add in creativity, okay? When you add in your prompt, what you want to generate, and then you click on there, 30 coins, you click. Now the query is on, you wait for the query to finish. It's gonna take time. This is where we have the problem. Because it takes like 30 minutes to generate. Yeah, because a lot of people are generating. So, yep, sometimes it takes faster, sometimes it takes time. So it just depends. But yeah, you got it, you have it. Okay, so at the start of my video, you saw the video generation already. So please don't ask me, oh, show me how the video generated at the end now. No, the video that you saw at the beginning of this video sample, this is the video. So yeah, because we are not going to wait for this video to generate until it's finished. Oh, looks like it's generating fast. I think we don't have a lot of people waiting today. Kind of. So yeah, when the video is done generating, I'll show you all, but those are the videos I always put at the start of the video. Okay, so yeah, advert video ready. You can actually advertise. You can create photos for anybody and advertise any company's product. They should just tell you what they need on their bottle and you put it. They should tell you how their bottle look like or show you how their bottle look like, and you get the exact picture of that bottle and you generate the exact thing with a model for them. Like, tell them what Kobuchi told you, you can do it. If you cannot do it, come and join my class. I have a course that I'm running, an AI course. Come and join my course. Let me teach you easy peasy lemon squeezy. Come on, baby. Let's go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. And don't forget to comment the next AI tool you want me to teach you about. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, this is how it looks like. This is the outcome. This is how it looks like. So now we all know AI cannot be so perfect, but the video is so nice, so perfect. The only thing you need to do is copy this video, download it. Download this video, then go to AI and cut off the end of it where her fingers just swapped and turned to something else. Just cut off that particular part, right? Yes. And you're good to go, which means you go to AI, you go to CapCut, you bring in your video. Let me take the video because I have it in my file. I guess it's already downloaded in my file. This is a video. Let me show you how you can cut it before you say, oh, Woko, you did not teach us how to cut it. You did not teach us how to cut it. So yeah, we're going to CapCut now. That's the video. All you need to do is, this is a video. Yeah, before the fingers just want to change, you cut it there and reduce this one. And then this particular one, you click on duplicate and you duplicate it. So the video will be longer for you. Yes, now let me give you this sense. Nobody could give you. So you see now the video is like what, 11 seconds, because I cut out the part that I don't need. The fingers that were going crazy, I cut them off and I just, can you see that? And boom, export your video. Thank you. You're welcome. Bye.